Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be going over quite a big topic. We're going to be going over why I stopped doing Amazon online arbitrage and all the issues that I had while doing it. I actually made a lot of money doing this. It was really fun, really lucrative, and I actually made like 10 videos about this, how to do it, how to find what deal sites to use, how to send shipments in. But I ended up taking down all of those because I myself and others were getting a lot of IP infringement claims. We'll go over what that means. I just didn't want to be, I back everything that I teach. So if something that I was teaching wasn't working, I'm not just going to leave the video up just to get views. So let's get into today's video. Me going over online arbitrage and why it is dead. Alright guys, welcome back. So let's just jump right into it. I'm not really gonna fluff this video up. So we're on Vipon here. This was my main favorite site for doing online arbitrage. So let's just go through the business model really quick, so we can actually show you how this works. Because if you don't know, we'll show you right now. Now I'm not encouraging you to do this. I've done it I did it for like a year without any problem whatsoever. Made thousands of dollars doing it. It was very lucrative, but I've just found more problems with it than good in it. So I decided to that's when I went full bore on private label, and now that's all that I do. So we would come to this site, vipon.com, and then these are all Amazon coupons. So you can get these right now. And so what we're doing is we're ordering from Amazon. So we'll get these products in 2 days for free. We're ordering from Amazon and then selling back on Amazon under the same listing. It sounds confusing, but let me show you how that would work. I've already found a product that I would have done it on in the past. This product right here. So it'll already say that I requested the deal. And the code's going to come up right there automatically. You don't have to request it or anything. It's just going to pop up right away. Now this is a little microphone. It's $9.95. That's what we'll purchase it for today. But on Amazon, it's $19.89. So if we were to, normally you would just click on the button and it would bring you right to the listing, but I already did that. So let me just search the title here. Yep, so it was this one right here. Cool. So this is the listing. You could see here it's $19.99. So we could order this with that coupon code that we just saw for $9.95. It would come to our house, and then we would put our label on it instead of their label and send it back to Amazon. And then we would come up as a listing right here. So the way that this would work, I actually took some screenshots here, is first we would take their ASIN and we would put it into Seller Central under Add a Product, right? And then it would be New Condition, Sell Yours. So you would click on Sell Yours, and then what that would do is it would pull up this screen. You put in your condition. It's obviously going to be new because you're essentially just reselling this. You're going to get it in the new packaging. You're going to put your label on it. You're never going to open the box, and then you're going to send it back to them. And then you could just match the low price, and you're going to do FBA. So Amazon will ship and provide customer service. And then what's going to happen is you're actually going to pop up as one of the sellers on the listing. So in this case, there's only one seller. This is the listing holder and the seller here. When we do this, what's going to happen is there's going to be another option. It'll be from my seller account. It'll be for maybe $19.98 so that I get the buy box. And then generally what I used to do is just keep it at their price. And the way that that works is it'll actually shuffle sales. So if you have one unit, they'll make a sale. And then if you also have Prime and you also have the same price, the next sale will go to you. You'll sell your unit, you'll be done. So that's how that would work. And then if we go back here, I'll show you how the profit margin would have worked out on that. So product cost would be $9.95. In this case, it's not a super good profit margin, right? The ROI is only 30. I used to go for like 50 and above. So this one's not super good. And then a universal shipping cost that I used to see was about 20 cents per unit because you are a you know, you kind of get like this deal with Amazon when you ship in packages to them. They have partnerships with UPS, so you could drop it off in it. I used to ship, you know, 40-pound boxes for $10. So I'd have, you know, 50 to 100 units in it. It ended up only being about 20 cents. That was my average. So it's not like I'm dodging that. That's actually what it cost. So you would make $3 here, right? So that's not much in this case. But let's see, I guarantee I could find one that's better. And the way I used to do it is like, you know, for instance, right here, right? So this is 80% off. So if we were to click onto this one, we could get this for $3.80. We would go get coupon, and we would go copy and go to Amazon. So now we actually have the coupon in our inventory. Let's see. So there's one new right here. Okay, so if that listing doesn't look like it's selling a whole lot, and there was ways that I used to determine how, you know, if it was even worth ordering, but say, you know, we could get this for $3.80. So say you ordered 2 or 3 of these, get it for $3.80. We could sell it for, even if we drop the price to $18, we're gonna make $8 per unit. So if we had, you know, 5 or 10 of these, that's 50 to, you know, $100 just for flipping these products. I'm gonna now talk about hundreds of products. You could sit here in a couple hours and get tons of different deals, order them all, and then resell them. So that's what I was doing. Now here's what the issue with that business model is, right? So these are actual Amazon sellers that are putting their products at a discount, essentially doing giveaways, right, to help boost their rank. And now I could see how this would be annoying now as a private label seller, people coming on your listing. And it just feels kind of weird now. Like, just, it's annoying to have hijackers. So doing this, I wouldn't even feel right doing it anymore. It is a business model within itself. And again, here's one that's $12. It's $35.99. So we could actually order this, and let me just show you how these profit margins work out consistently. We get this for, was that $12.50 or something? Yeah, so we're literally gonna double our money here. So if we ordered $100 worth of these, they might have set a max limit order. But if we order $100 of these, we'd make 100 back. We'd turn 100 into $200. So this is what I used to recommend doing if you only had $300 or something, and you wanted to start private labeling. That's not enough to start private labeling. So what you would do is you would take, $300, order it, flip it, turn that into 600, do it again, turn the 6 into 1200, and then you can start private labeling. And even that's a little low. I mean, you probably want like 1500 to start private labeling realistically if you don't have any software or anything like that. But yeah, this is what I used to do, guys. And now let's get to the issue with what was happening. So being the owner of this listing, you could actually contact Amazon seller support, and you could claim intellectual property infringement if anyone else is trying to sell your product, because a lot of these times these products would have logos on them, and you basically say, hey, there's no way this seller has my product because I'm the only one that produces it. I'm gonna make a claim that theirs is counterfeit. What would end up happening is you could actually get so many, if you're doing this at a high volume, ordering hundreds of units, you could get so many IP claims that your account might even get disabled or suspended temporarily. So I didn't think at a certain point I was getting quite a few intellectual property infringements from doing this, and I was just like, you know what, that's not worth it. I have, actual private label products that are doing good. I don't want to risk my seller account. The funny thing is, actually, I got suspended doing private labeling, not this, because of a giveaway service. If you guys have been with me for a while, you'll know that story. If not, it'll be on my channel about how I got suspended because of a giveaway service. Page Oneify. I was gonna say, I'm not gonna say who it is, but that company was a little bit shady. It was like this great company, everyone loved them, and then like all of a sudden they got like hundreds of people banned. At least that's what I've heard. They claim to have only gotten 1 or 2 people, but that doesn't make sense because just in the comment section alone, like 5 people have said they got banned. But let's not dredge on the past. We got the account back, and point is, there's a little bit of a risk associated to doing with this, and there's like this moral debate that comes up because I know I hate it when I get hijackers on my listing. So I don't necessarily like listing on other people's listing. Now, again, I don't mind when someone comes on my listing and sells 1 unit. Again, I'm like, how did they even get that? Okay, maybe they went past the return date and they're just trying to get rid of it. That's fine. But when someone comes on my listing with 100 units that are clearly not mine, I'm like, yeah, this is super annoying. And that's when I start making claims against them. So that was just a little bit of backstory on online arbitrage. A lot of you guys know me from online arbitrage. I used to have a ton of videos about this. Now I have none. Like I said, I deleted all of them because I'm not going to teach something that I don't believe in. But yeah, hopefully you guys enjoy this video. It's a little bit of a blast from the past. Some of you guys were asking about this style because I do still have videos about how I shipped these products in, because there's nothing wrong with, you know, how to create a shipping plan, but I don't have any of the deal sites or anything anymore. So that was online arbitrage. Do this at your own discretion, right? It would still work technically, but you know, forewarn you, you're going to probably get some counterfeit claims and IP claims, and unless you have a good response to them, or you know, Amazon attorney, you're probably gonna get suspended for too many of those. And I know a lot of people that used to do online arbitrage as well, other YouTubers, have had their accounts suspended. So without further ado, like and subscribe if you enjoyed the video. We also have the new product research course that is free. You could take that, first link in the description. That's how to find products to private label if you want to do Amazon the right way. But other than that, guys, hopefully you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you in the next one. Later.